In this video, we've put together reviews of top 5 best electric scooters available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the Swagtron SG5 Swagger 5 Boost scooter. The Boost is well built and feels sturdy. It weighs just 26 pounds and can carry users weighing up to 320 pounds, making it ideal for walk-up residences or boarding public transportation. With just one locking latch, it is simple to fold and unfurl. The maximum distance that may be traveled is 12 miles, however actual mileage may differ depending on the rider's size, speed, and the terrain. It charges in around 4 hours, so it's not very far but suitable for last-mile commuting or cycling to classes. Although you'll need to pair a phone with the Boost over Bluetooth and utilize an iOS or Android app to turn on and off cruise control, there are 3 ride modes to choose from. The scooter features a bell, front and rear lights for safety, a mechanical disc brake on the back, and Swagtron even went so far as to add a cup holder. At number 4 is the E-TWOW GT SE electric scooter. The E-TWOW GT SE, a scooter that weighs 29 pounds and has a top speed of 25 miles per hour and a charging capacity of 80% in 2.5 hours. The scooter's 700-watt motor, which is powered by a 504 watt-hour Samsung battery, can accommodate riders weighing up to 220 pounds. Its testing range was roughly 15 miles before requiring a charge. The 23-mile claim made by the corporation is not far off. The distance traveled varies according on the rider's size, riding technique, terrain, and wind conditions. The scooter's tiny storage footprint is a result of its simple folding down and collapsible handlebars. Riders of different heights can vary the handlebar height. In order to smooth out some bumps, it also has a spring in the deck and a little suspension in the front. Top 3 at our list is the Inmotion S1 Adults Electric Scooter. An incredibly pleasant last-mile scooter is the Inmotion S1. With front and rear suspension, 10-inch puncture-proof pneumatic tubeless tires, and a handlebar height of 42 inches, this nimble scooter costs $949 and allows you to ride without hunching over. It has one 500-watt brushless rear wheel motor that allows it to reach a top speed of 18.6 miles per hour. When rising up or off of a curb, the arrangement of the rear motor helps reduce part of the weight in the front. The S1 becomes notably slower on inclines if you are heavier. According to Inmotion, the scooter has a 59-mile range between charges. This always depends on travel speeds, rider size, and the terrain. Based on our testing, we discovered that the distance was closer to 20 to 25 miles. Moving up at number 2 is the Gotrax Gmax Ultra Electric Scooter. The top-of-the-line commuter scooter offered by the firm is the $900 Gotrax Gmax Ultra. It has a 36-volt, 17.5 Ah LG lithium-ion battery and a 350-watt motor. Considering that it lacks a suspension, its 10-inch air-filled tires made rides more comfortable than anticipated. The charging process takes 4 to 5 hours. The scooter is a kick and go, which means you kick to get going and then use the conveniently located thumb throttle on the right side of the handlebar to maintain speed. It has a top speed of 20 miles per hour, and Gotrax estimates that you can travel 45 miles between charges. In actual use, it was roughly half of that, which is still rather impressive. This also depends on the size of the rider, the terrain, and the wind speed. Riders weighing up to 220 pounds can use it. And at number 1 is the Segway Ninebot Max Electric Kick Scooter. You can travel extremely far on the dependable electric scooter Segway Max. Segway makes a big promise by claiming that it can travel 40 kilometers on a single charge, assuming you're traveling slowly and on flat ground. I was able to travel 7 miles in an electric car at top speed while driving in actual traffic. This was my everyday commute before working from home. Considering the scooter itself weighs 41 pounds and I routinely got it up to 18 miles per hour, that's still rather impressive. Compared to Segway's S-Series, the ride is more comfortable with the air-filled tires. The charging cable was one aspect I really valued. It is a simple power cord that is not bricked, making it portable and simple to replace. In 6 hours, the 551 watt-hour battery may be fully charged. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.